Hi there, welcome to this video. I hope that you are doing fine. Now, as time goes by, we realize that SHA portal is changing slightly, and in today's video, I'll be showing you the little changes that have been made on SHA. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, you remember before you finish the process of SHA registration, you need to do what we call means testing, where you are asked simple questions that will help SHA determine how much you're going to be paying per month. I have covered a full tutorial on how to fill these very questions. If you haven't watched that video yet, please find a link in the description for the same. Now, when you choose that you have a phone, they have added few questions down here. They are asking you the type of phone you are using. So for this case, she's using Tecno Mulikamwizi. So I didn't know how to write. So I wrote Tecno non-smartphone. And now they are asking you on average, how much airtime do you use per month? And I asked my client and she said that she uses at least 20 shillings airtime every day. So on average, she uses 600 per month. If you divide by 30, you get 20, and that's why I'm putting here 20. Then they are asking you on average, how much money do you transact? That is on M-Pesa. And I also asked her and she said on a daily basis, she can transact up to 50 shillings. So per month, that comes to 1500. And therefore, on average, she transacts 50 shillings per month. And that's why I'm putting here 50. And then after you finish this, you just need to confirm that what you filled is okay. If it is not okay, you need to click back and make the necessary changes. And if everything is okay, check this box on declaration and then click next. And here you'll give it some time. It's going to load. And yes, here we are. Now, depending on how she's responded to the questions, she has to be paying this amount of money. And for her to be a premium active member, she has to contribute for a period of 1 year. So per month, she will be paying 600 shillings. And if she wishes to pay for a full year, she'll be paying 7,200 shillings. So these are the little changes that have been made on SHA portal, and I felt like I need to share this with you. I hope that this video helped you, and if that is the case, you already know what to do. Boop that like button so that this video can be shared to more people who are searching about SHA and Shif registration. And if you love my general content, please feel very free to subscribe with the notifications on so that you can be the first person to be notified whenever we post a video on this channel. Otherwise, I want you to click anywhere on the screen to watch our next video, and I'm pretty sure that I will see you in that video. Peace.